How to use the Watch With feature on YouTube TV for live commentary. You want to watch live TV with friends or join commentary sessions? Here's how to use YouTube TV's Watch With feature. First, make sure you're using a smart TV or streaming device. This feature isn't available on mobile or browsers. Now start by playing a live channel, sports, news, or any program you want. While it's playing, press up on your remote to open the side menu or click the Watch With icon if visible. Select Watch With and in the pop-up, browse the available live commentary rooms or shows. Choose a room that interests you, like a sports game with live fan commentary, and click Join. Once in, you'll hear the live commentary audio overlaid on the stream, and you can toggle Mute Stream if you want only commentary. To leave, just press the back button or select Leave Room from the menu. Now you can enjoy live shows with real-time commentary communities right on your YouTube TV. Thanks for watching.